Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. It's actually super easy and there are multiple options to get creative results. All right, we have a ton of options here. I'm going to show you some. For example, we're going to want to go ahead and click on a blank canvas. Now, let's upload a photo, upload right here. I'm just going to select this photo right here. Once that's done uploading, we're going to want to drag and drop it onto the canvas. Okay, drag and drop and make this bigger like that. Now I'm going to click on the image itself, then go ahead over to apps. In the search bar here, type in Cartoonify like that and click on the first search result. As you can see, we have a few options. First up, Curtify, and the second one is Cinest. Let's just make use of Curtify first. Click on it, then hit Curtify and replace. Just click on it and wait for the process to finish. You should get a nice cartoon version right here. Alright, as you can see here, I've reached the credit limit, which is only one. Do keep that in mind. I'm just going to use the other option. I'm going to type in anime here and hit enter. And as you can see, we have the option called anime. Alright, just click on it. Now go ahead and click on your photo, hit open and select use selected image. Then click on add image. As you can see, it's done. Click add to design and there you have it. You can delete the original photo if you want to. Once done, save your creation by clicking share. Then download as PNG. Click save to desktop and you're all set. Canva makes it really simple to experiment with different styles, so feel free to try multiple filters, mix cartoon effects, or even combine them with other graphic elements for unique results. This way, every image can have its own custom look, making it fun to create personalized GIFs, profile pictures, or social media posts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.